morning, everyone, and welcome to the Oil Tank Specialist YouTube channel. Today, what are you limping for?
Feeling good.
So where's this job located?
Rock Tavern?
Rock Tavern. So just because we're going to hit that ledge, see if we can get underneath it or take a chip off of it. So
The old block?
yeah, man. So let's bring the jackhammer and your drill rig with that little 1-inch drill.
Okay, it's all in here.
Yeah, but just bring those two. Rock Tavern. This is, what's the name of this video? Good guy, bad result. That's the, we're gonna go out and try to clean his mess up. Hopefully it's not that bad, because he's a good guy. I'm gonna put that tank away as a temp tank. We'll wait for the other boys to come, and we'll get at it. Morning! Okay, we've reached our destination. Gonna offload 8 plates here and get to remediating. Just trying to figure out how to work around with this. I know there's a ledge down there. I think it's about 6 feet below grade. May be able to chip away at it, or I don't know. Normally if you hit ledge rock like that, especially in the state of New Jersey, anytime you hit ledge, they want you to drill a well and make sure that the groundwater is not impacted. And you know, you got to hire a licensed well driller. Wow. Make it straight. Mike, you gotta go that way a little bit. Alright. Plates are down. I think this driveway would be okay, but I just want to be sure. And I don't know, you know, tomorrow we'll be here, how hot it'll be. So.
Hey, just remember there's 2 pipes going along the house.
Gotcha. So I'm just going to put the overburden in here. we're back at the shop. I don't know whether the scale made a mistake or what, but they said Corey's truck had 11 tons in it. That's a joke. And Mikey's, as they said, it was 11.6, and Mikey's was 9 something, so it's 21 tons. But I know it wasn't. Can't argue with him. So we're gonna load up probably about 15 tons, and then we'll backfill. Corey just drove in, like my water here. Beautiful. That's our Roth 400 gallon. That's next week, I think we're doing that job. That tank, you have to get an install kit. It's going outside, so you have to get a hood. It's got to be on a pad, and that's about $2,700. As opposed to a Granby 330, only carries a 3-year warranty though. That cost me 1,100 bucks. Or those yellow ones are double wall bottoms. They have a 25-year warranty. They're about 1,300. See Corey fit. Oh, I gotcha. This is the Roth hood. That's the tie down kit. Which doesn't seem right, but we'll take a look at it. And we'll get to 80. Fill them up. Hey Mike, pull forward a little bit so I can fix that.
That sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's
Okay, that's that. I don't even think I needed that good mason filled. But we're on our way to backfill, finish this guy up. He's gonna be happy. Okay, time to backfill. Mike, hey, let me just set up a couple of plates, Mike, all right? That, you're good right there, you're good. Oh. Remember we put the new tarp on? Yeah. Don't take long for us. Don't take long for us. What happened to the fence?
It almost made it. It almost made it. Started raining heavy.
I thought maybe we saved a life or something.
I was worried about the deer coming in.
We have to adjust a couple of plates. So let that bring that big boy in. To bring Big Red in. That's gonna almost fill it. Watch. I bet you it possibly does. What's going on?
You need me?
Yeah, we work. Well, what are you doing? What are you working on?
I just wanted to show something.
What do you want to show them?
With the truck. What is it? No.
Yeah, that's not true. Got secrets going on.
You get coffee?
Huh?
His shirt.
He left the chain.
What does it say?
Yes, but first coffee. That's how we move these. Hey, nice fence job. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't put any of them posts in. Right? You saw Craig doing it, didn't you?
It collapsed.
Don't give him any credit.
Ralph, he knows I'm the best.
Don't give him
I was
any
afraid
credit.
to deal with the way they come up here.
Yeah.
You know, and then I'd have to go through that shit.
Well, let's just stand here
You
and,
definitely pushed it, right?
and stare at the hole. We'll all stare at the hole.
Corey, is there a knife in there?
We're like DPW workers.
So I didn't get an email.
You think so?
I do. I think I'm going to have to dig out.
So then I'll be right back. Want to move these plates?
Yeah, Cora. Yes, sir. You know what? I'm just going to take that one right there and pull it right to the corner. And hope for the best. Not loving it. Craigie, get on this side. What, are you just gonna rip it out?
Try.
Inside.
Huh?
It's patched on the inside.
Okay.
You take a picture for the code enforcer. Come on. Come on. That's about it. Straight back now. Straight back. I know. A little bit. Little bit. Little bit. All right. That's the best we got right there. That should be okay. Watch, this is gonna almost fill it. Nah, that's good. All right, we'll compact that a little bit. Now I'm worried I didn't bring enough damn topsoil. I thought for sure that was gonna almost fill it. That wasn't on the whole time. How come nobody can look for me?
Plugging up for that?
Yeah, I can't see. I said, why can't somebody look for that?
No, when you click it on.
But if there's a red button, you're looking at me.
I'm never looking.
Okay.
I'm working.
Let me see. Got a picture. If that's not on, let me know. Yeah, I know. Couldn't even see what I was doing. She's in.
We're gonna need a new wheel well.
She's in. This ain't gonna be fun putting these in now. Let's pick up some plates now. No damage to the driveway or walkway. Difficult with the 40. Put a little spin on it. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Finished. Okay, folks, you know what I'm going to say. It's another fine job. And as always, God bless America.